Last video I did an out of package pick, and it just goes to show that if you know the lock a little bit better, you can open it much quicker. So the second time I picked this, it certainly went a lot faster. And I had a comment from Locknut asking me, how does it rake open? So let's have a look. Here's my snake rake, and I'm really not good at raking at all. But let's see what we can do. And it's open. So that didn't take any time at all. Let's lock it back up and see if we can do that again. High tension. And it's open again. So way faster, of course, than the single pin picking that I did. And especially with these blob pins, raking can be very effective. Thanks for watching. Take care.